Hi guys, I thought I would just share what's in my refrigerator. I haven't done one of these kinds of videos in quite some time, and my fridge is somewhat full. Here I have some roasted chicken patties from Trader Joe's. This is some almonds, some sunflower seeds, some brown rice, and then I have some yogurt here, some lemon chobani, some lime chobani, and just some regular faye. Here I have some fresh thyme, some mozzarella cheese, and some butter. I have a little anchovy paste in here. I don't use that too much, but I needed it for a recipe a while back. Here are some salad dressings. This is the champagne vinaigrette. I don't care for this too much. It's kind of sour to me. Here is some Southwest Ranch. Here's the Ken's sweet onion, which I use a lot. I like it. It's sweet. Here's some sliced jalapenos, which I put on my salads a lot. Here's some shredded cheddar cheese. Some sugar-free, calorie-free barbecue sauce. Some peanut butter. Mayonnaise. Hot sauce. Some Dijon mustard. Some reduced sugar ketchup. Some Parmesan cheese. Capers. And then I have some of this cherry limeade sparkling ice. And then some sugar-free syrup. Some salsa. I like this Garlic Lovers salsa, which we get at our local Safeway store. This is some almond flour. Some soy sauce. And some Worcestershire sauce. Then here on the top shelf I have what's left of a Honeycrisp apple. Some wheat berries. I like these with yogurt. I have some medjool dates. Back there I have some cottage cheese, some vanilla yogurt. And I have some cut up watermelon and some coffee, strawberries, some bananas. Here I have some leftovers. This is smoked sausage. And this is some of the chowder that I made. It's basically pureed cauliflower with some broth and other vegetables. It turned out very good. And some brown rice. And back there I have some Diet Cherry 7-Up soda. I don't drink too much soda, but it's nice to have every now and then. Some Munster cheese. Some corn tortillas, some lemon and lime, some eggs, cremini mushrooms, some Ezekiel bread. These are my salad fixings. Some red onion, some cucumber, some tomatoes, garbanzo beans, shredded carrots, sliced red pepper, radishes, and I have some romaine lettuce in the salad spinner back there. And then I have some milk, some water here in the pitcher. These are a couple of my salads for lunch. I have some bacon here. Some yellow peppers. Got some watermelon back there. And some Crystal Light lemonade. And a couple packages of lunch meats here. Some black pepper turkey breast. And some chipotle chicken breast. A lot of times I put these on salads or sometimes on sandwiches. And then I just have some grapes here in my drawer, some green grapes, some black grapes, and then I have a red pepper, some carrots, and some celery. And that's pretty much everything that's in my fridge right now. So thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.